This is a wall decorated with a PS material wall panel. Today, I will teach you how to install. This is a cement wall. First, use a broom to brush off the wall ash and clean the wall. First, measure the size of the window and cut the wall panel. Nail or install with glue. Then measure the height of the wall and cut the wall panel. Fix with a nail gun. You can also use adhesive specifically designed to fix the wall panels. Let's take a look at the decorative effect of the entire wall panel. We have various styles and support customization. Environmentally friendly, non-toxic, and waterproof. This is skirting board. Very nice looking.